She doesn't want us filming her, but apparently she has the right to film.
You threaten people with your vehicle? You threaten people with your vehicle? No, I got it on camera, lady. You're crazy.
I got it on camera.
You're crazy.
I got it on camera. I got it. Karen activator. The camera's a Karen activator.
Hi, Karen.
She's blocking the crosswalk. Here we go, bro. Here we go.
Karen cop car right here, guys. Blocking the intersection here.
Just while I'm talking to you guys, mind moving back, please? Who's the one who called? Did you guys call? You called. Sounds like they called too. Yeah, it sounds like, it looks like they just want to be quiet. Okay. Well, do me a favor. Can you pull right here so we're out of the road? And I'll talk to you over here. Hi guys, you're just choosing not to talk. You're gonna be silent. Is that your plan? Yes, sounds like your plan. Okay. Keep your distance away. I'm going that way, sir. Go ahead and walk that way then. I want you guys surrounding me. Either you go that way with him.
I'm gonna stand right here, man.
All right. If you want to make this difficult, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna place you in the back house. If not, we're gonna walk over there.
Stop being a bully. Stop being a bully, man. And where's your mask at? We're not trying to get a rise out of anybody, dummy. We're not trying to get a rise out of anybody, dummy. They should know their rights. You should know their rights.
Was it in the crosswalk? What do you... Guys, you ready? Why don't you go ahead and
So this guy's afraid of a couple cameras, but he's not afraid of the dog sticking his head out the back window. Unbelievable. Coward. What a coward. Coward. You're a coward, man. See you later. Know your rights, lady. Don't try to run people over in the crosswalk either, lady.
Tell them how you threatened me with your vehicle. You tell them that.
It's funny how you're in fear of a couple cameras, but the dog sticking his head out the back window you had no fear of, man. You're a coward, man. You're a coward. Yeah, we're good here. Get back to work.
Stop following me. There's no reason for you to follow me.
I'm reporting right now. I'm reporting. Get the fuck out of here, bitch.
Keep your distance away from me.
Go. Get away, man. Walk away. Crybaby. What a crybaby. This is how you treat people, man? This is, look, the 3rd unit.
Well, we got told. Station 1, I know she's 41 before. We got told that you said that he tried to hit you with his vehicle or something.
Me? I didn't say anything.
So that's what our dispatch said. So our dispatch said somebody was accusing somebody else of assault or something.
The lady actually tried to run him over as he was walking through in the crosswalk, but we didn't say anything about it, man.
So that's when I took a closer picture.
Yeah, 10-8, man.
10-8.
10-8, these guys are 10-6, and they're about to 10-4 right now.
So it wasn't that dude that he was talking to?
What's that?
The lady that tried to hit him?
Yeah, I mean, I don't know, man. I don't know what happened, to be honest. I didn't report anything. I just kind of saw the lady in the middle of the crosswalk while this gentleman was trying to cross through, and she jammed forward. That's all I saw. So it seemed to me like she was...
Three of us showed up because we thought somebody was... But anyway.
Yeah.
Do you mind telling me what YouTube channel? I presume it's YouTube?
I prefer not to. You'll find it. You'll be hashtagged in there. Your department will be hashtagged.
Okay. I'm curious. I like checking out your guys' channels.
Right on, man.
But yeah. I mean, you guys are welcome to report.
Do you welcome the First Amendment, sir?
What's that?
Do you welcome the First Amendment and do you honor your oath and your badge?
You have the First Amendment right to record out here. You're lawfully where you have a lawful right to be.
Do you believe that somebody has the right just because we're holding a camera to put hands on you or to try to run you over with a vehicle? Do you think that's lawful?
Well, of course not.
And in that type of situation, what would be the process of handling that, sir?
Of what?
If somebody does try to, go hands-on or try to run you over with a vehicle,
Call us.
and what would you do at that point? Just curious.
We would investigate to see if a crime occurred. If we establish the crime occurred, and you want a prosecution for it, then we would, issue a citation, take a report, make an arrest, whatever we deem was appropriate.
Perfect.
All right.
Okay.
I know.
Let me ask you one more question, because I know you already know what we're doing. But if the vehicle never made contact, but the intention was there, is that a crime?
If the intention is there, yes. But that's the crux of it. Is trying to prove that the intention is there.
Right.
Right.
Okay.
That's sometimes where it's like maybe the intention was there, but it's hard to prove.
Right.
Sometimes.
I got you, man.
Right.
Okay.
But no, I know people give you guys flack.
Yeah.
And stuff, and
Yeah.
I get a laugh when people give you guys flack and you jump back and you like to.
Yeah. My channel is SGV News First, man. I'm from the San Gabriel Valley.
Oh, okay. I think I've seen.
I've been out here a couple times. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I've never met you guys before, but.
Yeah, right on, man. Well, it's good to meet good officers, man. I'm glad you had a heart-to-heart with us, and it's good to see that type of relationship in the community because that's what we're looking for.
Yeah.
We don't need to get pushed back at every cost like your partner,
We get calls on this. We get calls. I got a call yesterday. It was a couple kids not doing the same kind of thing you're doing. They were filming something for their own,
right.
fun YouTube channel.
Right.
And people were complaining about,
Yeah. So yeah.
People are on camera with me all the time. And
Yeah. Just as long as you're glad to educate them, man, because some people are just like, oh, they're just out here to antagonize you, blah, blah, blah. Instead of telling them, hey, they have the right to record, there's no laws being broken, I think that would be the better approach. What do you think?
And sometimes the people who call end up being the ones who get themselves in trouble because
Right.
they end up threatening you guys or
Exactly.
putting hands on you guys or stuff
Yeah.
like that. So
Right on, man. Well,
anyway,
I appreciate your
all right.
professionalism
Yeah, just,
today.
You know, just obviously, you know,
Be within our rights, man.
within your rights, you know, respect other people's rights, and
Yes, sir.
we're all good.
Have a
All
good
right?
day, sir. What was your name and badge number, real quick?
I'm Deputy Class Sergeant number 4691.
Appreciate you.
All right.
All right. Have a good day. Well, that was fun. Educational, motivational. Know that there's good cops out there, guys.
Sheriff today. This guy right here knew that this officer was acting a fool.
Out here with Pedo Libre Audits. Make sure and visit, like, subscribe, share. Make sure and push the links out, guys. He needs your support. Pedo Libre Audits. Represent. We're gonna let this one fly. We'll see what happens next, guys. SGV News First. We out. Thousand Oaks Police. This guy's a true man of his badge. He honors the oath and he respects the public. I can appreciate that. I just hope that without the camera, behind the camera, I hope he has that same attitude. You guys have a good day.